Hello everybody. Welcome to the Market Views update for May 18, 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from yesterday's trading session. Markets were bearish yesterday. A bearish belt hold candle was formed in daily charts in the yesterday's trading session. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about rupees 830 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 428 crores. The crude oil prices hit a high of $80 per barrel, which is the highest since about November 2014. Oil has had a significant impact on the Indian rupee. The rupee has slid about 6% against the US dollar this year alone. This also will likely have an effect on the Indian markets, but let's see how the markets react to whatever developments we see in oil and the dollar. Let's have a look at the Nifty. Nifty opened yesterday at about 10,775 and closed at 10,682. Nifty made an intraday high of 10,777 and a low of 10,664. The markets swung about 110 points in one single day yesterday alone. The markets were down by about 58.4 points from a previous day close of 10,741. The support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,640 and 10,600. Resistance levels are at around 10,750 and 10,820. Let's have a look at what this bearish belt hold pattern candle is. This candle normally happens during an uptrend. The market gaps up and opens at a high from the previous day's close. It closes at the low of the day. The body of the candle is longer and there is very little or no upper shadow for the candle. It signals, this candle signals a reverse in trend from bullish to bearish. This candle is not considered a very reliable signal and we need more data to confirm the trend reversal. Now let's see how this pattern applies to the candle that we've had yesterday. So in this slide you have the daily charts for the last few days. If you see, Nifty opened at 10,775 and hit a high of 10,777. The open and high are pretty close, are almost the same. And then once Nifty opened at 10,775, but this is a gap up from the previous day close. And once it opens up with a gap up from a previous day close, it starts coming down. It does not go up anywhere. There is little or no upper body. There's only a difference of about 2 points between the open and the high. The market keeps coming down and down and down and further down. And it's a low of about 10,664. It somewhat recovers and then closes at 10,682. This type of candle is called a bearish belt hold candle, and this when it happens at the top of a bullish trend. When it happens during a bullish trend, this normally indicates a trend reversal. But anyway, let's see how the markets react today, and that will help us identify how the trend is going to be from today onwards. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets, Dow Jones was down by about 0.22%, S&P 500 down by about 0.09%. The Brazilian markets seem to have hit the hardest. It was down by about 3.37%. That's pretty high for any stock exchange. Canadian markets was up by about 0.16%. The Mexican market also was down by about 1.36%. Let's have a look at the European markets. European markets seem to be largely positive as of yesterday. All of them having done pretty well. The English markets up by about 0.7%. European up by about 0.92%. France up by about 0.98%. Germany up by 0.91%. And Swiss up by 0.16%. Let's have a look at the Asian markets. Japanese markets were up by about 0.37%. Hong Kong marginally down by about 0.05%. The Sensex and Nifty were down by about 0.67 and 0.54% respectively. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was down by about 32.5 points, which is about 0.3% down. If this were to be any indication, the markets are likely to open marginally lower than yesterday. Let's see how the markets turn out for today. Thank you for watching this edition of Brokerage Free, market views from Brokerage Free. Good with your trades. Thank you so much.